Hello everyone, and welcome to Crash Official. Where we bring you the most unbelievable moments on the road. Today, we have a wild ride for you. Idiots in cars, the most brutal fails and crashes ever caught on Dashcam. Remember, this is for entertainment, but in the real world, drive smart and stay safe. Enjoy the show.
Oh my God.
Uncover the truth behind the viral video of the singing guy in a car crash. We'll examine the footage and reveal what truly happened in this unbelievable moment caught on Dashcam. Dashcam footage from the OSHP captures the tragic moment a semi-truck collided with a stopped SUV.
Wow, dashcam footage from the Ohio State Highway Patrol shows the moment a semi slammed into an SUV that had been stopped in the road
which had been pulled over. The violent impact resulted in the deaths of 4 individuals. The video serves as a sobering reminder of the dangers on our roads.
Their conditions are not known tonight. The driver of that semi was treated for minor injuries.
A dramatic video shows a speeding BMW crash into a Virginia police officer who was conducting a traffic stop.
Bravo, Serving Rescue, Serving Units, accident, right here at County Parkway, south after Braddock. My cruiser was hit, driver was hit. I'm trying to check on injuries.
The officer, who was speaking to another driver, narrowly avoided serious injury as the car careened across the highway. The teen driver of the BMW was charged with reckless driving. This shocking footage captures a woman's car being struck, triggering a brutal chain reaction.
Mami, me acaban de chocar.
What begins as a single collision quickly escalates into a multi-vehicle pileup. The dramatic clip shows a total of 5 cars involved in the crash, all captured on a dash cam in a matter of seconds.
Mami, mi hija. Mami.
In this harrowing footage, an overspeeding trucker attempts an illegal overtake, leading to a brutal and unforgiving crash. The shocking disregard for road safety culminates in a devastating collision. serving as a stark reminder of the deadly consequences of reckless driving and poor judgment on the highway. A driver walked away unharmed from a horrific crash. A GoPro captured the car hitting a barrier at 240 km/h, but miraculously,
Oh mein Gott!
the only damage was to the vehicle's body. A recent incident at our car wash saw a customer accidentally press the gas instead of the brake, sending their vehicle flying through the wash bay. Thankfully, no one was seriously injured. And another customer narrowly avoided the crash. We're incredibly proud of our team's quick and professional response. Thanks to their hard work, we were back to business as usual in just 2 days. A semi-truck crashed through a bridge barrier, leaving its cab dangling over the Ohio River. Dashcam footage captured the terrifying Louisville accident, which fortunately resulted in no fatalities. New details have emerged about the fatal bus crash in Bastrop County on the 27th of March, 2024. Authorities initially believed the vehicle driven by Ryan Wallace was a Dodge Charger, but Texas DPS has since confirmed it was a 2024 Hyundai. Wallace, along with 5-year-old Ulises Rodriguez, was killed when a concrete truck crossed into oncoming traffic on State Highway 21. Newly released video footage shows the concrete truck colliding with the Hayes CISD school bus, which was transporting 44 pre-K students and 11 adults. The bus was returning from a field trip when the tragic accident occurred. The investigation is ongoing and no charges have been filed. A bus plunged into a river in St. Petersburg, Russia, after colliding with a car and breaking through a bridge barricade. Video footage captured the dramatic moment the blue bus crashed into the icy water on Friday. A devastating accident was filmed in California. A white tractor trailer veered left across multiple lanes, rolling onto its side. The truck smashed through a median guardrail, hitting oncoming traffic. Several cars were unable to stop, colliding with the overturned truck. The crash resulted in a deadly scene. Officers pursued a suspect in Powder Springs, wanted in connection with a triple shooting in Forest Park. Video footage captured the moment police identified the fleeing vehicle, initiating a high-speed chase. The pursuit came to a dramatic and fiery conclusion when the suspect's car crashed. The incident led to the apprehension of the individual wanted for the violent crime. Further details regarding the suspect's identity, the status of those injured in the shooting, and any injuries sustained in the crash have not yet been released. This successful capture brings an end to a dangerous situation, highlighting the police's swift response.
Hey, fire extinguisher! Fire extinguisher! Fire extinguisher! Hey, where's that at? Hey, man, get under here under the hood.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more unbelievable moments, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And remember, while these clips are for entertainment, always drive smart and stay safe out there. We'll see you on the next one.